Hey everyone, I'm here to talk to you about our RYOBI USB Lithium misting fan. With a combination of fine mist and up to 110 CFM, it leaves you feeling up to 10 degrees cooler. That is a significant difference, especially on a hot summer day. With a clamp capacity of up to 1.25 inches and a multi-directional rotating head, this fan can also mount to various materials such as a folding chair, table, or stroller, and can be adjusted to direct airflow where it's needed. This fan has dual functionality that allows you to use the fan by itself or as a misting fan. To use the fan alone, press the button located on the back of the fan with the blade icon and press once for high speed and again for low speed. To use both functions together, press the fan button and choose desired speed, then press the misting button. When using both the fan and misting functions together, turning off the fan will also turn off the mist. To utilize the mist setting on your fan, refilling the tank is essential. First, begin by locating the black tab on the back of the fan. Open the tab and pour water slowly into the tank. Upon filling, tilt the fan head up to allow air to escape and continue filling until full. Once full, ensure the tab is properly closed and locate the clear tank on the opposite side of the fan to check the water level. Once the water runs low, repeat the process to fill again. Make sure to empty the water tank after use and leave the tab open in a clean environment to air dry. For additional instructions, refer to the hang tag on your fan, operator's manual, or online at ryobitools.com. Thanks for listening and learning about the RYOBI USB Lithium misting fan exclusively at the Home Depot or homedepot.com.